Hey there, future GRE conquerors! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of GRE vocabulary, and our spotlight is on a word that's not only powerful, but also quite versatile: accretion. First things first, what does accretion mean? Accretion is a gradual process of growth or increase, typically by the accumulation of additional layers or matter. Picture a snowball rolling down a hill, slowly gathering more snow and growing bigger. That's accretion. Now, why is mastering words like accretion important for the GRE? Well, the GRE is designed to test your vocabulary depth and your ability to understand and use complex words. Having a robust vocabulary can significantly boost your verbal reasoning score, which is a critical component of the GRE. So how can you use accretion effectively in a sentence? Let's look at a few examples. 1. The accretion of responsibilities in her new role was overwhelming. 1. Over centuries, the accretion of sediment led to the formation of the island. 1. Through accretion, the company expanded its market share significantly. Notice how accretion fits seamlessly into various contexts, enhancing the clarity and precision of the sentence. This is exactly what the GRE is looking for: your ability to use sophisticated vocabulary naturally and appropriately. But simply knowing the definition isn't enough. You need to internalize these words to use them effortlessly during the test. Here are a few tips to help you do just that. 1. Read extensively and pay attention to how words are used in context. This helps in understanding not just the meaning, but also the nuance of the words. 1. Create flashcards with the word on one side and the definition, along with example sentences on the other. Review them regularly to keep the words fresh in your mind. 1. Take practice tests and actively look for opportunities to use new vocabulary. This reinforces your learning and increases your confidence. Remember, building a strong vocabulary is a gradual process, much like accretion itself. The more you read, practice, and immerse yourself in the language, the more your vocabulary will grow. And there you have it, a deep dive into the word accretion and why mastering GRE vocabulary is crucial for your success. Keep learning, keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be acing that GRE. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more GRE tips and vocabulary lessons. Until next time, happy studying.